Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Jomar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most riveting, and interesting sports discussions on the internet. Before we start, Rush, you all get a little background behind the new set, the new environment, the new way we have come to them?
Why not?
Or don't ask, don't tell.
If you want to tell them, Reggie, we don't have a problem.
But watch on that. Anyways, guys, today me and Rush couldn't be able to work together side and side in the studio today. But you know, we have to bring in our video the same way. We have to produce, we have to keep the content coming. And as such, we find a resourceful way to get it out there too, you know. This is what we do, guys, at This or That Sports TV. Say something to them before we start, Rush.
All right, people. Oh, go and big up on yourself. So, as you guys know, it's international football time again, right? And we have a game tonight at 8 p.m. We'll be taking on Peru in Peru. And you know, we have to do something around the game. We can't just watch the game and give our reviews after. We have to talk about the game first. So today we'll be doing a preview. I want you guys to know what we think about the game, what we're looking forward to from the game, and we're also going to give you guys our predicted lineups. So yeah, that we do today. Short, spicy, nice. You know, keep it light. What do you say?
Come on, bro. Let's get right into it right now.
Yeah. So the game. What do you feel about the game?
All right. Well, I'm not sure if you guys had tuned into Ryan LFC's live, right? We spoke about some slight expectations. For those guys who did not hear us speak about it on Ryan LFC's live, I just think this game is all about preparation, right? There's a few other guys that will be available, or I think will make the team for the World Cup qualifying squad. However, the bulk of those players, mostly European-based, and a few North American-based who, for personal reasons, were not able to make this friendly, will be introduced in the World Cup qualifying. Mm-hmm. So the majority of this team that will play tonight in Lima will not be playing next week against Mexico and against Panama and against Costa Rica. However, there are a few players who will, and I think this gives us a good opportunity to see how those guys look, if they're still in shape, the likes of Damian Lowe, Javian Brown, Kemar Lawrence, so on and so forth, to see if they're ready. And for other players who might be there to fill out the additional roster spots that needs to be shored up. You know, we get to look at young players like Fletcher and Atkinson, Howell, Chung, right? Players like that who would not have gotten exposed much to the national system before. So I like the idea of playing this friendly, and I'm excited to see what we have in store. That's basically what I think of the game.
What I'm looking forward to is, I'm looking forward to two things. Right? One, I want to see Paulo's system. I want to know the formation that Paulo wants to go forward with. So, and I want to see like a change in system from Tapa's system. So that's the most important thing that I'm looking forward to. I want to see what Paulo is trying to do. I want to see if he can go 3 at the back. I want to see if he can go 4-3-3. I want to see if he can go 4-2-3-1. I want to see if he can go with 4-4-2. Like the formation is a big thing I'm looking out for. I'm also looking out for the rotations in midfield. Like, some real football things that I look out for this time. Because I think Jamaica can play football with their talent.
For sure.
So I want to see Paulo's system tonight. Also, I want to see the players that are trying to make a stamp. Like trying to get their names in that, you know, that 23 for next week. Right? So as I say, I'm looking at Atkinson. I'm looking at players like Fletcher. I'm looking at those guys trying to break into, you know, King, Topi, some of those guys trying to break into the actual Jamaican international squad. So that's what I'm looking forward to from this game. The result is not a big deal for me. I really don't care if we win or lose this game. Obviously, I want us to win. But whether we win or lose, it will not have much bearing on our World Cup campaign. I just want to see us play some good football. I want to see some spells where we control the game, see if we can keep the ball, you know, take it down a notch from this back to front football, this big game. You know, overall, I just want to see the system that Paulo wants to bring to Jamaican football. That's what I'm looking out for.
For sure, and I think that is his intention, to implement his system and to give it what you call a dress rehearsal before the really important game against Mexico in 7 days, right? So now that we've gotten what we would like to see out of the game, let's get right into our expectations and, you know, results, what we expect to see within the game. Like, Peru is a good team. You know, Peru is a top 30 team in the world. Peru is looking likely to to qualify from CONMEBOL this year. This is a competitive friendly, and I would say an unwinnable friendly, seeing that we don't have the complement of talent that we can bolster because they're obviously obligated to their teams. But this is like a very good friendly. I'm actually surprised the JFF managed to land a friendly of this caliber for us.
This would be a very challenging match for our strongest team.
Mm-hmm.
So,
for sure.
Results and expectations. I will never predict. I won't say I'll never, but I'm trying not to predict a loss. And then going forward, I don't want to predict losses for Jamaica because we're a YouTube channel, people watch us. I don't want to put any negative energy out there. I want us to go into games with the most optimism. So where expectations are concerned, if you want to make predictions, I'll just go a 1-1.
1-1.
I just don't want to predict a loss. I know that it's likely, probable, but I don't want to predict Jamaica losing. That's just bad energy out there. Maybe I'm being blindly optimistic, but yeah, 1-1. That's my prediction for the game.
All right. Well, I'm not going to go with you on that one. We are far outclassed by this Peru team. Not with our strongest lineup, but right now as it stands with the lineup that we're sending there, and I don't expect a win. I expect what I hope to see is 17 to 22 players play. Right? I'm not sure the agreement, if it's going to be 11 subs, 9 subs, 6 subs. I'm not sure what the agreement was made between the two teams. So I'd like to see as many Jamaica play as many players as possible. I know that Peru will field a good lineup because it is a just rehearsal for them. They have some competitive matches in CONMEBOL qualifiers coming up as well. So I think Peru will come out with all their teeth, and it will be a difficult match for us to get a result. I just want to see us moving the ball and getting the ball forward. As you said, playing in a system. I want to identify a system. And I think, especially in the second half, when we start to make a lot of changes and experiment more, I think the scoreline might get away from us. Not that I would be overly concerned. So ultimately, I'm predicting 4-0 to Peru, but it's not a prediction where, oh my God, 4-0, I'm so sad.
No, people think I'm delusional, you know. I'm not delusional, but I'm trying to be optimistic. That's all it is. So I know all right, let's put it this way to sum it all up. If I was a betting man, I'll bet everything I have on Peru. Put it that way. So I know that we are outclassed. But I just want to put some positivity out there.
All right, guys. So thank you so much for joining us today. You get me, so guys. Me and Rush will be back in the studio very, very soon. Don't get used to this setup, but you know the work continues. And with that being said, guys,
people, me on a trip, people. Like I'm on vacation, and I'm on work on vacation. Then this look good. I joke. Ready.
With that being said, guys, thank you so much for the continued support. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when we talk about share, you guys know what I mean. I mean, guys, if each one of you guys can get 5 subscribers for our channel, do you guys know how many subscribers that would bring us by the end of the day? So here are the guys, when this is posted, watch it, comment, go to work. 5 subscribers, each person. Anything else, Officer Rush?
No, man. This is Inside That Sports TV.
And we're out.